Time to taste that salsa. That is so good. This is their summer taste right here, guys. Hey fans, and welcome back to the Easy Salsa Recipe channel. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. And I hope you love salsa because we do a lot of that here. Today's salsa, we are bringing back a sweet and spicy salsa. It is going to be amazing. It is a spicy blueberry salsa. Yes, you heard me correct, blueberry. So we got blueberry, and instead of jalapenos, we're going to use serranos, of just sweet and spicy. So let's get into it. You guys want to see the ingredients? This spicy blueberry salsa just screams summer. So as you see in our ingredients, we have a yellow bell pepper, a red bell pepper, our blueberries, which is going to be the main hit in there, and then I'm adding some strawberries, a little bit of cilantro. Here's our serranos, a lemon. We're using like a medium-sized red onion. Cut the top and bottom off the onion and begin to chop finely. Cut the top and bottom off the red pepper and remove the core. And next remove the veins and begin to chop finely. First, we're going to cut the top and bottom off the yellow pepper and then remove the core. And next, remove the veins and then begin to chop finely. Next, remove the tops from the serranos and chop finely, seeds and all. Remove the tops from the strawberries and cut the strawberries into quarters and then chop finely. For this salsa batch, I'm using 2 cups of fresh chopped blueberries. And give a good mix. Remove the stems from the cilantro and chop finely. Cut your lime into quarters and lime to taste. Start off with a quarter lime and mix. A simple prep took about 15 minutes to chop up everything and get it in the bowl and get it mixed. So you know what time it is right now. Time to taste that salsa. That spicy blueberry salsa, that summer-like feeling, it's going to be fantastic. Let's do this. First chip. Here we go. You guys ready? Here we go. That is so good. This is summer. This is their summer taste right here, guys. I'm going in for the chip, and that only means one thing. Damn good salsa, baby! Let's do this! I can eat this whole bag right now. You probably think I'm I'm always starving, I just wait for the whole day just to make my salsa, right? It's true. It's so good. You got blueberries, strawberries, serranos, lime. Here's Sarah's test.
See what he got.
Hey, we got thumbs up. That's amazing. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, making our spicy blueberry salsa with the addition of adding strawberries, of course. And if you like this content and you love salsa, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. We post content every Thursday. So again, we will see you next Thursday. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye.